New Year's Day, Auditorium Shores. It's not much left of last night's celebration. There's the stage that they had the concert last night. All the grounds have been picked up pretty good. Good north wind blowing this morning. I should have wore my sock hat. I'll tell you that right now. I'm going to go down and say hello to Stevie Ray statue like I always do on New Year's Day. I'm walking down the walkway. I'll get to Stevie Ray in just a minute. I'm right on the banks of Lady Bird Lake. And as you can see Stevie Ray. There he is. I'm right on the banks of Lady Bird Lake. You see, there's downtown Austin. Anyway, let's go say hello to Stevie Ray. Then I'm going over to Barton Springs to join the Polar Bear Club for coffee and pastries this morning. Watch them jump in the water of Barton Springs. People are out on the hiking bike trail this morning. I guess they're doing their New Year's resolution to more exercise. Anyway, there's the Stevie Ray statue this morning. Hello, Stevie Ray. Well, there goes somebody working on his New Year's resolution. Hello, Stevie. We miss you. Lady Bird Lake, New Year's Day, 2011. Downtown Austin. Well, let's see if we can get to First Street Bridge here. Yeah, First Street Bridge. I'll walk back up to my car. Happy New Year, everybody. Goodbye, Stevie Ray. We miss you, brother. We miss you.